are Sunday, April 27th. It is 41 degrees out, or colder, I'm not quite sure. I'm freezing. But we are working on clearing out a little bit of land for our house garden. We're gonna have two. This will be closer to the house. We're clearing off the land right now. For this garden, we're actually using cement blocks and then 2 high, so that eventually if we need to move them, if we don't like them, we can. Hopefully you can hear me. But we're kind of excited. We're kind of excited to get this one in and get it started, because all the plants are started at the house. Just got to get it warm enough. It's like a big kid with his toy. And this is where we're gonna put the new house, or put the house. We're moving it, and this is where we'll move it to. This pad right here, and we've got to get it pounded down. We've got rock to put underneath it once we get it pounded down. But I think we've got a better idea of what we want now for the land, and we'll check back in. Okay, so maybe it was too cold to be using the cement, but the side of the canister broke open. So we still don't want to lose product, so how are you gonna get them apart? It says it shouldn't be touching the skin. Probably for that reason. what you wanted to do today, huh? Glue your fingers together? Like Marty Rainey says, that's our resume. Gross, gooey.